you know, it's a very unique experience, in its kind of unique way. But what do you think about Land Rover now?
You know, it's one thing to work on them,
Yeah.
and you always hear what they're capable of.
Yeah.
But we only get to drive them on the street. I grew up off-roading. I mean, I've owned 7 Jeeps now that we take out and do this stuff. Totally different. I mean, I love my Jeeps, but it's a different animal.
It's a different animal.
Nice to see how.
As far as like performance and just difference in what it can do?
Yeah, even with, I mean, this one's a 4-cylinder. Even with just the 4-cylinder, it had plenty of power. I mean, you could spin the tires if you wanted to. It was no problem. But even climbing over the rocks and the different obstacles, it did everything you wanted.
Yeah. Huh. But does it help you? I mean, because it's kind of interesting Land Rover does this. Obviously, it's unique with the brand and that kind of stuff. But does it help you appreciate the brand more?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's nice to be able to put an experience on, you know, if you're talking to a customer, or it's like, no, this can do, you know, if you ever wanted to, or, you know, just even just driving it, the amount of hours we spent, we put 400 miles on it. You know, just utilizing all the features, just even driving it on the street.
Yeah.